I bought Xbox Elite Series 2 Core Edition controller as a salvage condition, and I buy it for like around $30. I will try to fix it. I'm not sure what's the exactly issue, so let's start. I bought it from auctions, so the guy who sell this controller said it's salvage condition, but they don't give any information, so let's check. Oh, the first thing, D-pad, it's broken, and they have missing ring here. Okay, that's fine, but turn on. Oh, it's turned on. Okay, this is the good things. Let's see what inside the box also. Oh, they have the D-pad here with the magnetic. Okay, so I think the job is so easy. Also, they have the original cables. Sounds good. So let's start to fix it. Guys, when I try to open it, I think I break the cover, so I will try to put some like super glue here, and if the face is still in good condition. So let's start to fix the D-pad. Okay, it's time to test. One, two. Let's check the stick. And everything is perfect. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.